Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So right now, guys, I'm gonna show you guys basically how to use your AirPods Pros or whatever it may be to actually monitor your own audio. So if you brought the new DJI mic minis or the DJI mic 2s, the DJI mic, the newer CM28, the Hollylock wireless microphones. I'm gonna show you guys how to actually monitor it. So before, you was able to actually just go on your iPhone, basically scroll down. Just give me a second. Scroll down, hit this right there, and be able to just sync it over, or just hit that button right there and be able to just hit it and be able to do it. After the new, I believe it was iOS 17, they removed it off of it, so you wasn't able to do it. I actually found the way to actually monitor your stuff, and it's very simple and tricky. Now, it only works with AirPods. It does not work with any other Bluetooth headsets. It doesn't work with you plug in the microphone towards it and you want to go wireless and use your AirPods only. So this is all you have to do. First thing you want to do is connect this. I'm going to take one AirPod out. I'm going to set the other AirPod on the table. And the reason for that is because I'm going to take one of my microphones and put it towards the AirPods so you can actually hear that the sound is actually coming through. All right. So let's close out the case real fast. And I'm getting messages. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. So I got my AirPods in right now. So basically what I want to do right now is I want to swipe down from the top. And the first thing I want to do, if you guys don't know, here's my main part. What you want to do is swipe up. You want to go to the part where you see the air. Click on the air. Then you want to go to live listen. Click on it. So now you can see I'm monitoring my headphones right now. You can see I'm loud and stuff like that. So when you first do this, you may get a little bit of static, whatever. If you hear static in your AirPods while you're talking or while live listening, what you want to do is hard reset your iPhone. So basically you just want to press up, down, and power. So you want to just go up, down, power, and up, down, and power together like that. So you're going to go 1, 2, and hold it. Then let it go. When your phone reboots, that's a hard reset and your phone will come back on, and that will just reset everything that you previously did like that. So got the air part right there. So what I'm going to do is take my DJI mic mini. As you can see right here, we got the receiver. I'm going to plug it in like this. Okay, so now it's in. Receiver's in. Now I have this and I can monitor everything that's going on. So now let's go to the actual camera, because before the only way you was able to do this was by the only way you was able to do this before was using the Blackmagic camera app to basically monitor it. You don't have to do it, just do it like this and you'll be able to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my camera app. I'm just going to swipe up, go to my camera right here, flip it over. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it right here and hit recording so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Let's just place it right there. Well, it's just going to fall. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the mic and I'm going to take my AirPod and I'm going to place it like this. And I'm going, as soon as I go like this, you're going to hear the receiver basically make it like a static noise. Hopefully I can try to get some audio recording towards it. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record right now. Okay. So now I'm recording. I'm going to take the mic, put it right here, as you can hear right now. So this is basically what it sounds like right now. As you can see right here, I am going to play it back so you guys can actually hear it. So now the mic is next to my mouth right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this mic and I'm going to put it on a clip of my strap where the camera is. Okay, so I'm going to take this one. Here's the second receiver. Second transmitter right here. Wait for the pop on. Power it on. Okay. It's not on yet. Okay, there it goes. So you see me tapping it. Okay, testing. So hopefully you can hear it. You're going to hear, hopefully you can hear everything that's happening right now that I got the AirPods running. As you can hear, da 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 da. So what I want to do is I'm gonna place this down. So the other microphone I got, I'm gonna take it off my shirt. Okay, so I'm gonna put it all the way over here. As you can see, it's right there. I'm gonna place it all the way right there. Take this mic, put it back in the case. So it's far away right now. You can hear I'm not actually close to it. So now if I tap it, you actually see me tapping it. You hear that? Now, let's try to bring this over so you can actually hear it. Okay. I don't know if the mic will be able to pick it up. But the mic is right here. This is the mic. So it's right there. So let's turn the gain up. Okay. So can you hear it? Double echo. So you should be like really loud because I got it right here. So when I talk, as you can see, my mic is all the way over there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the AirPod all the way over there so you can hear it. Like I said, you're gonna hear the noise and stuff like that, but I'm actually listening towards it. And when I play the video back, I'm gonna put this video inside this video right now so you can actually see that it's actually recording the sound. So everything that you see me doing right now, you see that it's actually picking it up. So testing. I can hear everything that's going on. You can test it out. Like I said, it's going to be hard for me to do it with the AirPod. Let me see if I can turn it all the way down so I don't get that extra sound. Okay. Maybe I could put it about right there. Okay. So you should be able to hear it through the AirPod right there as I move it left and right. You should be able to pick it up that clear. I don't know how good you'll be able to hear it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this AirPod, I'm gonna put it in the case real quick, and I'm gonna take this one out, which I'm gonna have to cover it real quick, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Let's try to turn this up real quick. There we go. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I don't know if y'all be able to hear it, but that's how you basically monitor it. So you're just gonna see a black screen basically is going on right now. So you ain't gonna really see anything. But let's just pick this up really quick. Right there. And yeah. So now you should actually hear my regular microphone. Give me a second. Okay. Testing. So I don't know what's on, so I'm gonna take the receiver off real quick. Okay, so now you should hear my regular iPhone right now with the audios, and that's basically taking this off and this off right now. So that's how you actually be able to hear it. So I try to test it out as best as I can. Just test it out on yours and you see that it actually worked, all right? Put it down in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.